Discussion. Table 1. Drum brake part name. Part number 1, brake drum. Number 2, adjuster screw spring. Number 3, return spring. Number 4, adjuster lever. Number 5, adjuster. Number 6, return spring. Number 7, shoe hold down part. Number 8, shoe hold down spring. Number 9, primary shoe return spring. Number 10, back plate. Number 11, operating lever. Number 12, hold down pin. Number 13, hold down cup. Number 14, brake strut bar. Number 15, secondary shoe. Number 16, hole spring. 17, brake pin. 18, brake cable. 19, wheel hub. 20, brake plate. Table 2, condition of drum brake parts. Number 1, brake drum, condition a bit rusty. Number 2, retainer spring, condition a bit rusty. And number 3, the thickness for shoe and lining assembly is 4.36 mm. And number 4, the shoe to shoe spring 1 is a bit rusty. Number 5, shoe to shoe spring 2 is also a bit rusty. Next, for the piston, it is in a good condition. Table 3, inspection of drum brake parts. Number 1, brake lining thickness. Thickness is 4.36 mm. Next, brake drum inside diameter. Diameter 1, 167.69 mm. Second, 167 and 66 mm. Third diameter, 167.65 mm. Fourth diameter, 167.65 mm. Part number 3, shoe and lining assembly. The thickness is 4.36 mm. Okay, next question. Based on your finding, what is the condition of brake shoe lining? Should it be replaced with new shoe lining? The shoe and lining assembly thickness is 4.36 mm. The standard value for brake shoe lining is 4.4 mm. There is 0.04 mm of difference from the standard value compared to our experiments result. The brake shoe lining physically is too rusty and it may affect the brake performance. The brake shoe lining need to be replaced because of these two factors that can put the car in danger. Second question, explain your result of drum brake inside diameter. The value of the drum brake inside diameter that has been recorded are 167.69 mm, 167.67 mm, 167.65 mm, and 167.65 mm. All four diameters taken from the inside diameter of drum brake are identical, thus proving that the drum brake is still safely usable. The drum brake is a bit rusty but still usable and will not be affecting the brake performance. Question number 3. If deep crack found on the drum, can it be repaired? Explain your answer. Deep crack on the drum cannot be repaired unless we switch it with a new drum. It may be caused by the excessive heating and cooling during the operation. This may cause brake system malfunction and could be dangerous for the driver. This is commonly brought on by sudden stops at high speed, which commonly occurs when driving too fast and aggressively. While the outside of the brake drum is cool, the brake contact surface heats up quickly. When the material cools, the crack becomes visible because of the plastic deformation of the inner surface brought on by the temperature differences. Question number 4. What is the advantage of drum brake compared to disc brake? Compared to the disc brake, drum brake have a better braking performance. Next, drum brakes have a larger friction contact surface, thus they last longer than the disc brake. Besides, wheel cylinders are relatively easier to fix than disc brake caliper. Finally, manufacturing drum brakes is less expensive than disc brakes. Conclusion. By the end of this lab, you learned that major distinction between disc brakes and drum brakes is quite clear. Disc brakes use a disc-shaped rotor and a set of brake pads, whereas drum brakes use a circular drum and brake shoes to provide friction. Additionally, we learned that drum brakes have a greater braking capacity than disc brakes with the same diameter. Drum brakes last longer than disc brakes because they have a bigger friction contact surface. Drum brakes are less expensive to manufacture than disc brakes.